Hello guys, in this video we are gonna compare the KIPRUN 500 thick running socks with KIPRUN 100 running sock. We have both of them in same size. They both are running socks. The R500 comes in pack of 2 and R100 comes in pack of 3. R500 costs 150 rupees for a pair, whereas R100 cost just 66 rupees for a pair. The first thing you will notice that KIPRUN 100 is a lot bigger than KIPRUN 500, even though they both are of same size. Here you can see the material composition of R500 and R100. R500 is a lot thicker than R100. As you can see, there is a mess in R100 and I can see through it. Here you can see that R500 is thick overall and it has double layer as well, but in R100 it is thin and it doesn't have any double layer anywhere. So R500 will last long, but R100 will tear up quite soon. Let's wear them and compare them. As you can clearly see, the grip of R500 is very good and its elasticity is also very good. R100 feels little loose, it's just grip where it has the rubber bands, but it's overall feels loose than the R500. You can see that R500 is lot thicker than R100. R500 has double layer at the bottom of the feet where your foot touches the where the friction is high, so it will last long. R100 doesn't have any double layer and it feels little loose near toe side, but both of them are really good and value for money socks. You can use R100 daily for normal wear and R500 for like running. It will be more suitable for running R500.